I really like the Larry's and Lenny, whatever. Those protein cookies. They're so good. I want some all the time. But they're also kind of expensive. So I was like, why don't we just make it at home? So I was looking up a bunch of recipes and things. This is going to be an experiment because one of the things I read was you couldn't use a protein powder that's like plant-based. You have to use whey protein. And I want to use vegan protein. Like, because that's what I have. So I just looked up the basic cookie recipe and I just think I'm just going to replace all the ingredients with whatever, but I think I'm still going to use eggs. I'm using a banana as well. I'm going to mash it up because one of the things it said to do that. And then I think I'm going to use raisins.
I don't know.
I think I'm just going to use some of this coconut. I think I'm going to use honey too. White chocolate chips because those are my favorite ones from the Lennys and thing. I'm going to use some cashews. I don't know if this is going to work. It's kind of stressful but kind of exhilarating because I'm like, oh, but they could be really good. Start off by mashing this thingy. Ew. Ew.
The ends are bad luck.
Neat trick, if you're ever like trying to mash avocado or mash anything, get a meat pounder because it makes it so much easier to like actually do it. So what do we do next? I just want to make these the best protein cookies ever. Maybe I can like sell them after. Like on the low though, because then I don't want to pay taxes. It's supposed to be a joke, get it? What I know, you're supposed to cream together the egg and the sugar. So am I supposed to do that with the banana? Because it also says we need butter, I think. So maybe that's supposed to be the banana. You're supposed to cream together the butter and the sugar. I don't care. It does not need to be perfect. If you haven't been able to tell, I don't know what I'm doing. I will not know the macros to this. And you probably don't even want to know. People are going to be like, that's such bad macros. And I'm like, what's a macro? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That's perfect. Okay, that is really gross. Now I'm going to add half a cup of the protein powder. Damn, that smells so good. Just baking soda and baking powder. I don't know. Okay, maybe we'll need vanilla extract. Why is this so hard?
Wow, I'm so good at this.
And then I'm just going to add all the weird things in it now. I love cashews. Coconut flakes. Is this unsweetened? Yes.
Yes.
If you hate raisins, I'm so sorry. I don't care. I like them. And these ones are unsweetened, so they're good for you, maybe. It just depends on what you believe. No one gets left behind. Maybe a few. And then our white chocolate chips. I don't want to add too many because then they're not healthy. I'm just going to scrape the sides and then hope for the best. I'm going to add some more protein. I feel like I'm using way too much at this point, but I'm just like... Not the worst thing I've ever had. I'm hoping it gets better in the oven. I forgot to preheat our oven. Okay, do that. You're not going to do this, but I have to tell you that because that's what makes it professional. Okay, this is our batter. Okay. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, so these are my cookies. Yum. They poofed up a lot. I'm just gonna wait for them to cool.
No.
I don't want to wait anymore. Is it even cooked all the way through? These are like way better than the Lenny and Larry ones because you can't actually, like, once you bake them, you can't taste the protein. Oh my god. Why are you calling me? Hey.